If you want to fix your screen color and go from black and white back to normal on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, open up your settings. Now you're to scroll down to Accessibility tab. There it is. Now locate your vision enhancements. Great. Now, first of all, locate your color inversion and make sure to turn it off. Tap on the switch. If the problem still persists, locate your color correction. It's right under our color inversion. And make sure to turn it off as well. Much better now, right? After that, swipe down from the top right corner to see if your problem still persists, right? So if it still persists, make sure to turn off your eye comfort and shield, because sometimes it may be the reason. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.